Okie dokie. Alright. Manifestation ang ating topic for today's video, guys. Ilapit natin yung mic para may audio tayo. Okay. Hello sa'yo, Moki Panganiban. Good morning. Good morning, Wency Santos. Good morning. Ayan, maghanap tayo ng topic about manifestation. Manifestation! So kahapon, ang topic ko is how to manifest love in 5 simple steps. So ngayon, ano ba ang gusto nyong i-manifest? Manifestation, guys, is a form of prayer. Ito yung humihingi ka, no? Humihingi ka sa universe. Ayan. So prayer siya, no? Form of prayer. 7 steps to manifest anything you want, including love or money. Ito ang pag-usapan natin for today's video. Ayan, how to manifest anything that you desire. Ayan, yes, that even includes love and money. Okay? So there, tingnan natin. Oopsie. Keep in mind, kung kayo ay nagpa-manifest, it doesn't happen overnight. Alright? Ito. Galing to sa Oprah's Daily, no? Helping you live the life you want is a big part of Oprah's Daily. Oprah's Daily to nang galing. And Oprah's goals. So the inside huwag na natin basahin yan. Manifestation or law of attraction may be a concept you're familiar with. The process was the focus of a 2006 best-selling book, The Secret. Ayan. So, if you want to know more about manifestation, basahin niyo po yung The Secret. Ayan. Okay, let's see. Keep in mind, pag kayo ay nagmamanifest, it doesn't happen overnight. Although manifesting is about turning your dreams into reality, it does require you to take proactive steps toward whatever it is that you desire. You shouldn't expect it to happen instantly. But even though it's a lengthy process, that time is a small price to pay for a profound impact in your life. Ayan na. So, sandali. Saan na tayo? Let's back up. What exactly is manifestation? Okay. Manifestation. Essentially, manifestation is bringing something tangible into your life through attraction and belief. Okay. If you think it will come, it will. Sabi dito, no? So, ang topic natin for today's video is manifestation. Okay? However, there is more to manifestation than willpower and positive thinking. Okay? As Angelina Lombardo, the author of Spiritual Entrepreneur, says, manifesting is making everything you want to feel and experience a reality. Ayan. Sabi, what was your biggest or most prized manifestation? Sabi ni Peewee. Yung ano ko, Europe tour ko. No? Last May siya nangyari. Pero, minanifest ko siya 4 years ago. So, pinost ko siya sa Facebook kasi my mom and dad went to Europe. Nag-tour sila. So, when they came home, yung mga ref magnet na from Europe, inano ko siya, nilagay ko. Tapos, pinicturean ko sila yung mga ref magnets na yon. And then, sabi ko, ref magnet today, my destination tomorrow. Parang ganon. Pero, sabi ko, ang sabi ko pa nga doon, in 5 years time, magtutour ako ng Europe. So, yun yung aking manifestation, yung aking declaration, no? And it happened. It happened in May this year. So, yun. Did you affirm and visualize it daily? No. Hindi. Wala lang. Inano ko lang, pinost ko lang kasi I wanted that, no? Pero hindi yung hindi ganun ka-focus. Tanggalin natin yung filter kasi mukha akong multo. Ayan. So, hindi ganun ka-focus, pero I manifested it. Ayan. Kasi gusto ko rin talaga. Ayan. Kaya siguro, it took a while din bago nangyari. Kasi hindi ganun ka, Oo, yun nga. So, hindi ganun ka-focused yung pagma-manifest. Although andun yung intention, yun, ay gusto, yun yung sinabi ko sa kay universe na I want this to happen. It took a while, no? 4 years. Ayun. Pero, that is the power of manifestation. Nangyayari. Kailangan lang, no? Kailangan lang focus. So, kahapon, sabi ko nga kahapon, sabi niya, ang pangalan niya, Always Love You, hi, sabi niya, hello din po sa inyo. Ayun, um, ang binasa ko naman kahapon is yung How to Manifest Love in 5 Easy Steps. Ayun, isa sa mga nakasulat doon, when you're manifesting, when you want something, kailangan naka-align. Your whole being is aligned. Kumbaga, kung ano yung minamanifest mo, kailangan naka-align, minamanifest mo, no? Iniisip mo, sinasabi mo, kailangan yung actions mo naka-align. Ayan. Para maintindihan ni universe kung saan ka papunta. Kung ano yung gusto mo mangyari. Ganon. No? So, yun. So, there. So, manifestation is real. Manifestation is a form of prayer. Prayer and meditation. Okay. Manifesting everything you want to feel and experience. Ayan. Saan dito? Ulitin natin. Manifesting is making everything you want to feel and experience a reality via your thoughts, actions, beliefs, and emotions. Kailangan your whole being is aligned. So again, kagaya ng sinabi ko kahapon, halimbawa, gusto mo ng long-term relationship. Ano daw? Thank you. No? Gusto mo ng long-term relationship. So, you are manifesting, no? Pinapag-pray mo. Pero, yung actions mo naman does not match yung intention mo. Because yung actions mo, pang-player. So, hindi mangyayari yan. No? Okay. Tapos, sabi kahapon, no? Kailangan i-open mo yung doors mo, say yes. No, say yes dun sa mga potential partners na nakikita mo. Say yes to them. So sabi ko nga, yes, get to know people, no? But you should also know when to say no. Okay? So kailangan na filter mo pa rin. So, ibig sabihin, you are in a process of getting to know people, yes. No? You give chance to people to get to know you also. But, pag may nakita ka na mga inconsistencies or actions na hindi nagmamatch sa words, say no. Ganon. And, wag matakot let go kapag nakita mo na and you think that it's not for you, just stop and let go of it. Ganon. Kasi, ano rin yan, yung scarcity mindset, sabi nga, dapat hindi ka doon, umalis ka doon sa, or tanggalin mo yung scarcity mindset, na you're getting to know people, tapos, wag kayo, no, if you're manifesting love, wag kayong, manghihinayang, na magle-let go. Especially pag nakikita mong, ay, cannot be borrowan. No? May nakita ka ng mga inconsistencies, ganyan. At may nakita ka na ayaw mo, no, na trait, wag na kagad. Wag nang ipagpatuloy. Because, what you deserve, yun ang sinasabi natin, you deserve what you allow. Kaya, di ba? Ayun, if you see inconsistencies, no na kagad. Dapat doon tayo. Kaya nga ang first step, no, when you're manifesting is for you to know what you really want. You have to be clear. Okay? Sige, eto na tayo. Tuloy natin. To start manifesting ito, be clear about your goals. Ano ba talaga yung gusto mo? Okay? While everyone approaches manifestation differently, Lombardo believes most follow the same basic principles. Okay? First and perhaps the most important is for you to know exactly what you want. You are the only one who dreams your dreams. Ikaw lang naman, no? Ang may gusto ng mga yan, no? So whether it's a new partner, a healthy relationship, or a better job, know it and own it, sabing ganyan. Whatever you desire, the one thing is essential. Now, make your intention as specific as possible. Okay? So, the more clear and concise, the better. So, halimbawa daw, no? Instead of, for example, saying, I want to meet my soulmate. Okay? Develop a detailed picture of what that person would look like. Hello sa'yo, Joshua. Okay, think qualities, characteristics, values. Isipin mo anong klase ng partner ang gusto mo. Once you've set your intention, ask for what you want and write it down on a paper. Isulat mo. Okay? When you've pinpointed exactly what your hopes, dreams, and goals are, you need to ask the universe for what you want. Okay? This can be done in a variety of ways. Prayer, meditation, visualization, speaking your intentions out loud. Okay, mag-vision board ka, no? Yan. Maggawa ka ng future box, which is a container full of pictures or items you want to manifest. But you need to say exactly what you want. Okay, kaya importante talaga for you to know what you want. Dapat klaro ka. Okay? Hindi pwede, again, if you want a long-term relationship, no? Hindi pwede na yung actions mo ay pang-player. Alright? Okay. Now, start working towards your goals. Shoutout po sa ating 5 million viewers in the house. Thank you guys. Thank you for joining me this morning. Okay? According to Gabriel Bernstein, author of Super Attractor and The Universe Has Your Back, manifesting is also known as co-creating because it's a collaboration between you and the universe. So which is exactly why knowing what you want is only half the battle. Kalahati na yon. So, importante talaga, alam mo kung ano yung gusto mo. Okay? You will not see any results without action. Nga. You will not see any results without action. Okay? You seem to be a wide reader. Opo, mahilig po ako magbasa talaga. And isa sa mga interests ko, ito si Law of Attraction. Yan. Tapos natutunan ko to because, meron ako mga sinalihan before na mga na mga networking companies. So mga sila sa law of attraction. Alam mo yung attracting positive vibes, mga ganyan. So yon. So eto, nagbabasa ako ng mga tungkol dito. Ayan. So natuwa lang ako, yun nga, kasi isa sa mga major na ko nga na manifest ko is yung Europe tour. Major yan, no? Hindi biro yung from here makakapag-tour ka ng, I mean, for an ordinary person. Siguro kasi yung mga millionaires and billionaires, it's easy for them na, di ba? Pero para sa atin, bilang mga ordinaryong tao, ayun, malaking bagay para sa akin yun. Okay, it's one of the major ones na siguro kung bata pa ako, no, I learned this na medyo bata pa ako. Ginamit ko talaga siya. 'Di ba? Pero 'yun nga, no. So there. Maganda talaga yung yung meron talaga, it happens, no. Totoo 'yun. Yung power of manifestation. Thank you, Piwi. All right. So 'yan. Knowing what you want is half the battle. You will not see any results without action. Okay, so the other, I think yes, it was parang the other day yata yun naman. Thank you, Piwi. Ano naman, may isa naman na nagko-comment dito, no, na daw siya, parang natatakot daw siya manligaw. Kasi nakikita daw niya yung babae na gusto niya na parang mukhang masungit. Chin Rose, miss na miss ka na nila mami tsaka ni daddy. Oo, kinamusta ka na naman ngayong umaga. Tinanong ka na naman, sabi nila, na ano, kamusta na si Jin Rose? Hindi na ba talaga siya nag-TikTok? Sabing ganyan. Ayan, Beshi! Hello sa'yo, Mama Bear. Okay, manifestation, guys, no? It works. Okay? Tapos ano pa? Pati yung sa Palawan. Ay, minanifest ko rin to. Nung nagkakilala kami ni Jean Rose, tapos sinasabi niya, nasa Puerto Princesa siya. Parang kung ilang beses kong sinabi sa kanya, pupuntahan kita dyan. Naalala mo ba yun, Besh? Sabi ko sa kanya, ay, pupuntahan kita dyan. Basta isang araw pupuntahan kita dyan. And it happened. And na-meet niya buong family ko. Magkakasama kami doon. Di ba, Besh? Ayan. So, guys, manifestation works. Try it. No? Kailangan pag nagmamanifest ka, walang doubts. So, yon the other day nga, merong nag-comment, may advice. Minsan kasi, guys, dito sa live, merong mga pumupunta nagpapa-advise sila, no? At hindi tayo madamat sa pag-a-advise. Ano to? Nagmahal na saktan pa ulit-ulit. Good morning po, napadaan lang. Salamat po sa pagdaan. So there, no? Sabi nung nag-comment, natatakot daw siya manligaw kasi nga daw mukhang masungit yung gusto niya. Ayun, no? Ang sabi naman dito, okay, knowing what you want is half the battle. You will not see any results without action. So, ibig sabihin, no, kahit alam mo na kung ano yung gusto mo, kaya lang, hindi ka naman gumagawa ng action, wala pa din mangyayari. Jackson, sige, pa-change name ng change name. Bahala ka. Ito yung sinasabi ko sa'yo kahapon, no? Law of attraction. Yung sinasabi mo, that's what you attract. Okay? Yung iniisip mo, sinasabi mo, ginagawa mo. Law of attraction, manifestation yan. Sabi niya, yes, very good example si Pia Wurtzbach. Naging Miss Universe, diba ilang beses siya nag-fail. Pero, naging Miss Universe pa rin siya. Kasi, wala siyang doubt and she never gave up on her dreams. Diba? Yes. Agree ako dyan. Alright. So, set aside a bit of time to think about what steps you can take to reach your goals. Okay, then build them into your routine. Okay, for example, if you want to make a career change, start networking with people in your field and practice for a job interview. Mga ganon. Another way to be in action, wag kang susuko, besh. Kapit lang. Kapit lang, besh. Another way to be in action when manifesting is to ask yourself this question. What would my future self be thinking? Ganyan. What would my future self be thinking? Reframing your mind and will enable you to be successful. No? Being the person who already has, does, and feel your dreams and desires help you become that person. Okay? Ano sabi ni Peewee? Naging consistent siya in spite of her rejection. Sabi ni Peewee, okay? So yon, consistency. No? Kailangan consistent ka talaga if you are manifesting. So again, may focus, may consistency. Okay? Focus, no? Isip, salita, gawa. Kailangan aligned lahat. Hindi pwedeng sinasabi mong gusto mo si Jean Rose pagkatapos iba naman ang kausap mo. Beshi. Alright, the next step is to be mindful of and thankful for what you receive. Hello sa'yo, Brian. Good morning sa ating 4 million viewers in the house. Makakakyat ka pa, Besh? The next step is to be mindful of and thankful for what you received. So, every day, no, sabi dito, kailangan nagpapasalamat tayo. Ako, ginagawa ko talaga to. Meron akong gratefulness journal. Alright. While you may not get everything you envision in the order and time frame you want, you should receive and acknowledge what you do get. Okay? No matter how big or small it may be. according to Lombardo. Ayan, be grateful. So, ano ang mga pasasalamatan mo? No? Meron akong naisip dito kasi meron akong napanood, no, sa TikTok din. Ang sabi niya nga, eto daw magandang magandang affirmation every day. I always get what I want or better. I always get what I want or better. Ulitin natin. I always get what I want or better. Ayan. So, ibig sabihin guys, kapag, si Bakaking kong to, hello sa'yo pusa, kamusta sa? Sabi ni Jackson, isa na ako nagpapasalamat sa live nyo. You're welcome, Jackson. Any monument, pwede kang bumalik. Ayan. Ayan, si Jackson, isa siya sa mga nakaranas ng advice from Team Sundo. So, kung meron kayong gustong ipa-konsulta. Kung meron kayong kung gusto niyo ng advice, ayan, minsan nag-a-advise din po kami dito sa live. Ayan, no? Kung kayo ay open na mag-share, sige, go. Basta kung ano yung makakabuti para sa'yo, no? Okay, push mo yan, Jackson. Okidoki. So, eto na tayo. To do this, consider creating a gratitude journal. Ginagawa ko yan. Before bed, spend 5 to 10 minutes writing down a few things for which you are grateful for. Ano yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan? No? Okay, maybe you want to save enough money for retirement and you receive a call from your cable provider about a way to lower your monthly bill. Okay, or you come across an informative podcast that inspires an idea for a money-making side hustle. Ayun, tingnan mo yung mga ganon. Okay, baka kasi yan yung mga bagay na makakatulong sa'yo. Baka yan na yung pinapadala ni universe. Ayan. Yes, anak. Ayan, so, no? Good morning sa ating 6 million viewers in the house na naging 4. Okay, so ito. Let go of any resistance and limiting beliefs. Okay, in addition to changing your mindset, yung pagpapasalamat, yung pagiging grateful, that is changing your mindset. So kung ikaw ay medyo hopeless, no? You need to change your mindset and you can trick your brain. Sabi nga, you can trick your brain to change from negative to positive mindset. Paano? Be grateful. Humanap ka, no? Tingnan mo, tumingin ka sa paligid mo. Ano yung mga gusto mong pasalamatan? Ano yung mga ipinapasalamat mo? That will trigger your brain to think of the positive things, to think of the wonderful, beautiful things that you have. Hindi lang things, kundi people, for the wonderful experiences, opportunities that come your way. Ganon. Okay? Okay, in addition to changing your mindset and behaviors, you will need to remove any obstacles or limiting beliefs. Ayan, kailangan tanggalin mo yung doubts. Sabi nga kapag ikaw ay nagmamanifest, kailangan wala kang doubt kahit konti, kahit isang patak. Dapat andon yung tiwala mo na ibibigay sa'yo yan ni Lord. Okay, Lolita Garcia, hello po, good morning. Alright, so ako, during that time na nagpa-process ng visa, okay, yung friend ko, sabi niya sa akin, hoy Bel, sabi niya ganyan, galingan mo dyan sa pagpa-process ng visa, sabi niya ganyan, ako ayokong kasi yung friend ko, syempre mga babae din, no? Sabi niya, she's coming from Canada. So sabi niya sa akin, Bel, galingan mo yan, ayoko mag-tour mag-isa. Sabi niya ganyan. Tapos ako, I was so confident. Sabi ko sa kanya, ma-approve yung visa ko, wag kang nag-aalala dyan. Wag kang, kumbaga, chill ka lang. Sabi ko, ma-approve yun. And it was approved. Ganon. Dapat pag nagmamanifest kayo, walang doubt kahit isang patak. Okay? If you want something, no? Again, no, sabi nga dito, manifest anything you want dito. Sabi itong binabasa natin. So yun, if you want to manifest, kailangan wala kayong doubt. Alright? Halimbawa dito, tingnan natin, basahin natin sa dito. Ayan, no? Telling yourself you're not good enough, you're not worthy enough, you're not smart enough, you're not enough. It's a tape that's playing for a lot of people, sabi ni Oprah. Okay? If you're not conscious of that, then you end up acting out that belief system. Kailangan baguhin mo yun. Okay? Babaguhin mo kasi negative yun, no? And sabi nga natin, kung ano yung lumalabas sa ating bibig, that is what you attract. Alright? So, don't attract negativity. Kailangan from yung isip pa lang natin because our minds are very powerful. So, kailangan pag iniisip mo pa lang, no? Keep it positive. Okay? So, ito. You don't become what you want because so much of wanting is about living in the space of what you don't have. Well stated. Ay, thank you, Peewee. Yan. So, to move past your limiting beliefs, it's essential that you first identify what exactly they are. Okay? To do this, ask yourself, what are the beliefs I have about myself that may be inhibiting my progress? Ano ba yung mga nagba-block? Mayroong mga iba-block ka kasi nan mga sinasabing limiting beliefs na yan, no? So, isulat mo na naman yan sila para klaro. Mas clear kasi kapag sinusulat mo. May mga taong tamad magsulat eh. Pero alam niyo, mas effective talaga yung nagsusulat kayo, guys, no? Tapos, ang nakakatuwa niyan, you look back, no? Siguro mga months, yung tipong nakuha mo na yung minamanifest mo, you look back dun sa journal mo, and you will see, no, kung gaano ka effective yung manifestation mo because you were consistent. Okay, so ito. Alright. Cross out the limiting beliefs and write down your new affirmations in their place. So, ilista mo yung mga limiting beliefs mo. Okay? You're not good, you're not enough, blah, blah, blah. Kung ano man yung mga iniisip mo na ganyan, isulat mo sila lahat. After mo sila isulat, i-cross out mo sila, burahin mo, and then write across kung ano man yung limiting belief mo, baguhin mo. No? Jot down your answers, then replace any negative feelings with positive ones. If your limiting belief is, I am incomplete without a man, o sa mga single ladies out there, no? Reverse it. Balik ka rin mo yan. I am complete as I am. O, dapat ganon. Ha? Kompleto ka. Isa kang kompletong individual. Alright? Again, no, ito, paulit-ulit ko to nasasabi. I'm not sure kung ngayon ka lang ba nag-join, Peewee. Ayan, no? We should not look for someone who will complete us. Kasi kompleto ka, no? You should be aware that you are complete. Buo ka. Okay? Wala nang iba pang bubuo sa'yo. Wala kang kakailanganin na ibang tao na bubuo sa'yo. Kailangan ikaw mismo buo ka na. Alright? So, we are not looking for someone who will complete us. We should be looking for someone who will complement us. Okay? Yung babagay sa'yo. Yung mag-e-enhance ng kung ano man ang meron ka. Mag-i-improve. Kung baga, halimbawa, masaya ka na, no? Kagaya ko, I'm happy. Masaya ka na, no? Kailangan, yung darating sa buhay mo ay yung magdadagdag ng happiness. Hindi yung tao na babawasan yung happiness mo, tapos, babawasan yung peace of mind or iistorbohin yung peace of mind mo. 'Di ba? Instead na ayan ang saya-saya ng araw, ang saya-saya mo, masaya ka naman talagang tao. May darating, guguluhin lang yung peace of mind mo, no? Ayun. So isa nga sa mga qualities yan na hinahanap ko talaga sa isang partner is someone who will take care of my peace of mind. Kasi importante sa akin yon. No, bilang may mga trauma ako, I want someone who can and who will protect my peace of mind. Okay? So, as simple as, ganito lang, no? Kapag kayo ay magkausap, communication is very important to me. Isa yan sa mga love languages ko, no? So, kapag na-ghost ka, yan, kapag ikaw ay ginost, ghosting can damage your mental and emotional health. Okay, so everyone out there, no? Ghosting can damage mental and emotional health. Okay? So sa mga may trauma, big deal ang ghosting. At sa akin, it's a deal breaker. Okay? Especially kapag meron pang na-involve na pagsisinungaling, lying. Okay? So yon. Klaro ako doon, no? So dapat again, kayo, klaro din kayo. If you are manifesting a partner, kailangan klaro kayo what you want and what you don't want. Okay, so yon. Klaro na ako doon. So, hindi ako manghihinayang na mag-let go ng tao na sa palagay ko ay hindi makakatulong sa akin. Ganon. Okay? So, there. Ayan. Sabi dito, if your limiting belief is, I'm not good enough, yan, reverse it with, I am wonderful as I am today. Okay, to take a step further, the next time you find yourself questioning your worth or saying, I don't deserve this, yan, pause and think of all the reasons why you are deserving. Ayan, ano yung declarations ninyo? Ano yung affirmations ninyo about yourself? Halimbawa, every morning, no? Kung kayo ay nagmamanifest ng love, ayan, ano yung, you should know what you deserve. Ha? Again, sabi ko nga, no? You deserve what you allow. Kaya ako, pag may ghosting na naganap, pag may pagsisinungaling na naganap, cut. That's it, pansit. No na. Okay? We should know how, or we should know when to say no and when to say yes. Meron tayong mga pinapalagpas, pero dapat alam natin yung major offense at minor offenses. Okay? Pause and think of all the reasons why you are deserving. Ang ano ko every morning, I deserve the love that I desire. I deserve the love that I desire. I deserve the love that I desire. Sabihin nyo yan, guys. If you are manifesting love at kayo ay walang tiwala sa sarili nyo, no, know that you deserve to be loved. Know that you deserve real love. Know that you deserve sincere love. Know that you deserve consistent effort if you're a woman. Okay? Sana all, admin sana all, salamat sa pag-share ng live. Okay. So, ito na tayo. Make sure to check and change your energy from time to time kapag kakailangan. One thing Oprah knows for sure, energy is everything. Alright? The energy we put out in the world is the energy that we get back. So, which means if you are continually sending out negative energy through either your thoughts or feelings, you will attract the same energy. Hello, Sans Beauty Shop yan. 6 million viewers in the house. Hello sa'yo, Martin and Aniel. Yan yung name ng bunso ko, Aniel. Hello, Scout Angel. Hello, Baller. Ang batang ito. In fairness to the poor, good morning sa'yo, no? Okay? So, yon again, you attract what you put out into the universe, whether iniisip mo yan or sinasabi mo or ginagawa mo. That's what you attract. So again, kung gusto mo, kung totoong gusto mo ng long-term partner at iyan ang pinapag-pray mo, kung totoo yan, no? Dapat yung action mo nagmamatch, no? Hindi pwedeng gusto mo ng long-term partner, tapos yung action mo pang player. cannot be borrow one. Okay? So, we are talking about law of attraction, manifestation. So, for the whole week, ayan ang topic natin, guys. Okay? So again, if you continually send out negative energy through either your thoughts or feelings, you will attract the same energy back to you. According to Oprah's Super Soul Conversation with Michael Bernard Beckwith. Ayan, no? On the flip side though, if you are able to shift your energy, ayan, you also attract more positivity, which will help you realize your goals. Good morning, good morning, good morning, Dominica. Ako, sorry, nabusog. Luckily, okay, lifting your energy is actually quite simple. Just focus on activities that cultivate feelings of joy and happiness, whether that's doing something kind for someone else, helping a friend or family member, ganyan, donating to a meaningful organization, volunteering, starting each morning with a meditation session. A quick yoga class, nako, shout out kay Friendship. Wala pa si Friendship, namimiss ko na din yan. Okay, spending some time in nature or treating yourself to some well-deserved self-care. Yan, kaya nga importante while you are waiting, while you are praying, don't waste that time, no? Waiting time should be productive. Gamitin mo yung waiting time mo to take care of yourself, to love yourself. All right? Waiting time. O ano ba yung minamanifest mo? Whether that be career, wealth, financial, or love life partner, no? Kung ano man yung minamanifest mo na yan. Okay, while you're waiting, kailangan consistent ka. That you pray consistently, no? Grateful ka. Kahit hindi pa siya dumadating, wala pang dumadating na, parang wala ka pang nakikitang senyales, ganyan-ganyan, no? Even if you're not seeing anything yet, kailangan consistent ka pa rin sa paghingi. Consistent ka pa rin sa pagpapasalamat sa lahat ng meron ka. Okay? Tapos, waiting time, take it as an opportunity to love yourself more. Take care of yourself. Keep improving yourself. So kung ikaw ay single and searching, no, yung waiting time mo, siguraduhin mo na ini-improve mo yung sarili mo. Okay? Huwag mong sisirain ang sarili mo. Ha? Okay, huwag kang mag-self-destruct. Sayang naman kasi kapag ikaw ay nag-self-destruct, again, no, what you put out there, you will attract. Okay? So, ipakita mo sa universe, ipakita mo sa lahat kung paano ka dapat tinatrato. No, that's why it's important to love yourself. You show everyone how you should be treated. Again, you deserve what you allow. So kapag ikaw nagse-self-destruct ka, no, you are attracting that energy na pwede kang paglaruan, pwede kang lokohin, pwede kang sirain. Yun yung ina-attract mo when you self-destruct. Ano yung self-destruction? Nagbibisyo ka. Okay? Nanloloko ka, nagbababae, nanlalalaki ka, nagaganyan. That's self-destruction, guys. So, anong gagawin mo while you're waiting? You continue to pray. You continue. No? Sabi nga, alagaan mo yung sarili mo, yung garden mo. Ikaw yun. What's that, anak? Come here. Yes, it is. Yeah. Can you please close the door? Kasi the sound is so, malakas. Ayan. So, yun. While you're waiting, sorry naman doon. Ang lakas na. While you're waiting, alagaan mong sarili mo. Kung ikaw ay babae, magpaganda ka. Love yourself. Diba? Huwag kang magmukmuk, umiiyak-iyak ka. Huwag ganun. No? Iyak-iyak ka. Sabihin mo, bakit sila may jowa ako wala? Ano ngayon? Kailangan masaya ka pa din. Masaya ka pa rin. Dahil buhay pa tayo, habang buhay may pag-asa, ganon. No? Iyak-iyak ka dyan. Self-pity ka dyan. You are attracting that energy. Yung loneliness, ina-attract mo yan. Whereas, kapag lumabas ka, magpaspa ka, magpa-facial ka, magpaganda ka, girl. While you're waiting. And it's very important that you pray. Pray every day. At sabi ni admin, sana all, ipakita mo sa kanila na masaya ka. Yes. Ipakita mo sa buong mundo na masaya ka. That you are complete. Okay? Kasi, para yung maa-attract mo, masaya din. Diba? Yung taong maa-attract mo, magdadagdag ng happiness. Mako-complement ka. Ha? All right. So, sabi dito, be flexible and trust the process. All that said, the process is fluid. The steps you take do not matter as much as your belief. So trust your actions, visions, and clarity, as well as the powers that be. Now, Lombardo says, faith is a powerful motivator and guiding force. Pag nag-pray ka, trust that God will give you what you are asking for. And kaya nga, patunayan mo nagtatrust ka, pasalamatan mo na kagad. Pasalamatan mo na kagad kahit hindi pa dumarating. Thank you in advance, Lord. Diba? Yan. Yes, you can manifest love, sabi dito. The best part about manifestation is its wide-reaching applications. The law of attraction knows no bounds. Once you start dialing in your manifestation process, there's no limit to what or how often or much you manifest.